In this video, we're showing you 5 home and kitchen gadgets under $50 that are actually worth trying. From time-saving tools to smart kitchen helpers, these finds are budget-friendly, super useful, and highly rated. So if you love smart upgrades without breaking the bank, let's dive right in. Number 1. Food warming mat. This is a food warming mat, always ready when you are. It's fully rollable, making it super easy to store or carry. Built with non-slip insulated feet and made from durable food-grade silicone. It features 4 temperature settings, so you can adjust the heat with just a tap. Plus, it includes 3 timer options for added convenience. Perfect for a wide range of tableware and containers. It keeps meals warm during gatherings without interruption. It's water and stain resistant and super easy to clean. So go ahead and upgrade your kitchen with this smart and practical gadget. Number 2. GEERLEPOL Spin Scrubber. This is a powerful electric spin scrubber designed to make home and kitchen cleaning effortless. It's super easy to assemble and use. It works like a sponge brush, a corner brush, and even a flat scrubber. Perfect for hard-to-reach spots, tile grout, or kitchen surfaces. It comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads for all your cleaning needs. The scrubber is fully waterproof and charges via a USB-C cable, making it both convenient and efficient. Whether you're cleaning your bathroom, kitchen, or floors, this cordless scrubber is a total game changer. A must-have gadget for every modern home. Number 3. Nostalgia S'mores Maker. This is an electric s'mores maker, perfect for enjoying homemade s'mores all year round, right at home. It comes with 4 trays to load up your favorite s'mores essentials. You'll also get 2 stainless steel roasting forks, designed for perfectly toasting marshmallows. Roast them to golden perfection over the flameless electric heater, with no risk of open flames. It makes your treat time fun and mess-free. Want to switch it up? Use cookies or even your favorite chocolate candy for a unique twist. So go ahead and bring the campfire vibes indoors with this electric s'mores maker. Number 4. Starfrit Rotato Peeler. This is an electric peeler designed for your home and kitchen. To use it, just place your vegetables or fruits, press the start button, and it automatically peels them in seconds. No effort needed. It runs on 4 AA batteries and comes with 2 spare blades included. You'll also get a handy thumb knife for removing potato eyes or fruit blemishes. This electric peeler works perfectly with a variety of fruits and vegetables. So if you want to save time and skip the mess, this is a must-have for your kitchen. Number 5. Cell phone stand. This is a cell phone stand with a built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker. It comes in multiple color options and connects to your device via Bluetooth whenever you need it. Once connected, it offers convenient features like volume adjustment and more, tailored to your needs. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry anywhere. Perfect for watching videos or joining video calls, whether you're working from home or cooking in the kitchen. If you liked any of the gadgets, the links are down in the description. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.